You are arrested.
You are arrested by Raigad police. Come on.
You have been arrested by Raigad police. चलिए उठो. Yeah.
Che, they've assaulted me. Shamo, listen, I want to speak to my wife. I want to speak to my wife. I want to speak to my wife.
डालो उतला आता. उतला.
With legal capacity, we are inside. With legal capacity, we are inside. Yes.
Everything is live. Everything is live.
That's fine. We are in legal capacity.
Maintain
Inside.
social distance.
Yes. We'll keep.
Maintain social
You
distance.
are present.
Sign over here. Ma'am, please. Ma'am, please.
I'm sitting
You
now.
put your signature on this paper. Please, ma'am. Please acknowledge. Ma'am, please acknowledge the copy. Is it on me? Is it? Yeah. Is it for you? It's addressed to you. Please, ma'am. Please look here.
Keep a distance.
Better you come with us.
Keep a distance.
Better way
We
you
will
come
all
with
go.
us.
Wait.
Are you coming with
Keep a
us?
distance from
Are
me.
you coming with us peacefully?
Just one second.
Just told. Are you coming with us?
This is going to.
Please, what I am asking, are you coming with us?
Please wait. I am DYSP Praveen Patil. Listen. I am not finished. Listen. I am DYSP Praveen Patil from Raigad Police. I am here to arrest you in CR number 59 of 2018 under section 306-34 IPC.
Why did you
You have to cooperate me. You have to cooperate with me.
Why did you physically assault?
Please come.
You physically assaulted by
Physically assault.
Ma'am,
Ajay, they have physically assaulted me.
Yes.
He's physically assaulted
Fail
me.
him to cooperate. We are going to arrest him.
They're physically
Shamo,
We are
assaulted.
taking him to Raigad, Alibag.
They physically assaulted me.
They're physically assaulted.
ठीक है चल
They have physically assaulted me. I need to make some arrangements.
चलो घर
Please, I need to make some arrangements.
You are live.
Shamo, I need to make some arrangements. I need to make some arrangements. I need to make some arrangements. I am in the family. I need to make some arrangements. White collar. I am
standing outside your residence.
My you have physically assaulted me. I have some problems.
No physically assaulted.
You have
to
physically
cooperate.
assaulted me.
Yeah.
And I need to make arrangements with my family. So please wait outside. I'll come.
No. You are under arrest right now. We have done ample time.
No, you don't physically assault me.
चलो खाने का सब चलो खाने का
Supreme Court of India.
Please thank you. Ma'am, this is intimation to your intimation. This is you just read it. You first sign it and then you yes. You just use signature.
Don't physically assault me. Don't touch my son. Don't touch my son. Don't touch my son. Don't touch my son. Don't touch my son.
Nobody has touched your first son.
You have touched my son. You have assaulted me. You have physically assaulted me. You cannot physically. I'm telling you, you are physically assaulting me, assaulting my family. Please cooperate. If you do this, you have to
You just put
You
it
have my
in
head and beaten me in my house.
I need a
No, who is this man? Why is he physically assaulted me? Why is he bringing me in the house in the morning? I am the editor-in-chief of Republic TV. You are physically assaulting me. Is this correct? Sachin, you tell me why you are physically assaulting me. I will not accept physical assault.
सर आप बैठिए
I will not accept. I will cooperate but not physical assault.
बैठिए आराम से शांति से मैं बात करता हूँ
Not physical assault. I will, no. You have, no. What happened?
सर जी आप बैठिए मैं करता हूँ बात करता हूँ सर मैं चेयरमैन हूँ बिल्डिंग का मुझे अभी पता था आप मुझे बता देते मैं थोड़ा
I need to make arrangements for elderly people.
सर जी आप बैठिए मैं
There are some
करवाता हूँ
elderly
आप
people in
बैठिए
the family. I need to make some arrangements. I think you have to allow.
सर देखिए
Not like this. Not physically assaulting
सर
me
आप
inside my
बैठिए
house.
प्लीज मैं बात करता हूँ सर प्लीज
If you have physically assaulted me inside my house, Shamo, do not sign these papers. They are trying to force you to do it. They cannot physically assault me inside my house.
Leave it.
Shamo,
No problem.
they have physically assaulted me inside my house. I will seek the advice of my lawyers. I will cooperate.
At police station you will.
No. I will.
No, at police station you will.
One second.
कोऑपरेट कीजिए.
Listen to me, Sachin. Sit down first of all and maintain
आप
social
बैठिए, आप सब बैठिए ना प्लीज.
maintain social distancing and sit around.
Ma'am, you know,
This is my house. Please maintain social distancing.
This is yours. You are in our custody.
Let me talk to Arnav once.
You can't physically assault me.
कोऑपरेट कीजिए.
I have to make arrangements for my family members before leaving.
What arrangements you want?
हम अरेंजमेंट कर रहे हैं.
I will make arrangements. You can't. I have to make arrangements. You are sitting here.
Arnav, you are in our custody.
There are 20
And you
people in
are,
my house.
no, yes. By doing this, you are making problem to yourself.
No, no, no.
Please don't.
Don't worry, we are ready for any problem. Don't worry.
Shamo, you have physically assaulted me.
I have not assaulted.
Physically
You have.
assaulted.
Arey, when?
Sachin, you and me have.
No, this thing I will not.
This physical assault chain, which has
I came
happened.
later.
I just want to tell you, viewers,
I came
these
later.
are the people here. Shamo, is this live?
अर्नब जी आप
No.
These are the people, they have physically
We have to
assaulted
use
me.
force now. We have to use force now. If you do like this,
प्लीज
don't do that.
प्लीज कोऑपरेट
don't
कीजिए.
physically
लीगल
assault.
एक्शन है.
then we will use
आपको
force.
पूरे लीगल राइट्स है. आप जो
Yes.
करना है आप एडवोकेट को बोल
Yes.
दीजिए. आपको पूरे लीगल राइट्स है. लेकिन
Yes.
अभी आप
Shamo, people are physical. I just want to give a report before we Shamo, first of all, don't worry.
कोऑपरेट कीजिए.
Everything will be all right.
अर्नब जी
These people have entered my house and
आप
physically
लीगल
assaulted
एक्शन
me
के लिए
today.
कोऑपरेट कीजिए.
This is therefore the high-handedness of the Mumbai police.
I'll send it to the.
They came at 6 o'clock in the morning. They physically assaulted me. They pulled me out of my house. They dragged me by my belt. This person and Sachin
gentleman, this
Vase,
gentleman.
who has entered my house illegally, have physically assaulted
Illegally
me.
they have entered. This gentleman in the plain clothes also assaulted. This gentleman in the blue shirt and plain clothes has also assaulted. And we have shown you live that entire
Why
incident.
he physically assaulted me? I want to file a case.
उसके ऊपर लीगल एक्शन लेंगे.
He has
लेकिन अभी तो
physically
आपको चलना
assaulted
है.
me.
वो हम लीगल एक्शन
He
लेंगे.
has physically. I want action against Sachin Vase and this person, Praveen Patil.
Where is that Sachin Vase
Who physically
Rana?
assaulted
Where is
me.
he escaped?
Who physically
There he is.
assaulted me.
अभी आपको चलना है.
No, physical assault is unacceptable and I believe it cannot be done. Listen, he is an encounter cop. Listen, you please go down, I'll make arrangements. You please go down, I'll make arrangements.
You will use force. We would like to see you use force. Use force, please.
You use force, but I need
Use
to make
force.
arrangements.
You are threatening, no?
If you
know
say
that.
that you're going to use force,
Please,
it will be shown to the
we will show it
We are
live.
requesting you please
No,
cooperate.
you
with police.
assaulted, no? You assaulted. You assaulted.
I am requesting you now please cooperate with us.
Well, you.
I mean, I'm requesting you very calmly. Very calmly.
As per your request,
Now,
you say
please
since
stand.
last
Now,
2 hours.
please
You have
stand.
since last 2 hours. I am standing there.
You have physically assaulted me, I'm injured. I now need to take medical advice and come. Because of your physical assault, I am feeling unwell. So I'll take medical advice and come.
वो भी मिलेगा.
नहीं,
Physically assaulted me. I need
मेडिकल असिस्टेंस भी मिलेगा. लीगल एड असिस्टेंस भी मिलेगा. लेकिन अभी आपको हमारे साथ
सचिन जी मुझे फिजिकली असॉल्ट किया गया है इसलिए मैं कोई आई एम अ वेरी वेल अवेयर सिटीजन इफ यू फिजिकली असॉल्टेड मी आई नीड मेडिकल एडवाइस बिफोर लीविंग बिकॉज आफ्टर द फिजिकल असॉल्ट आई एम नॉट फीलिंग वेल
अभी आपको चलना पड़ेगा. कोऑपरेट कीजिए.
I need
We would like to record the
I need to
physical
make
assault.
arrangements for my family members.
Please.
Shamo, just record this. I don't want to talk.
Please, yeah, suggestion, yeah.
I want to talk to my family before leaving. Will you leave the room? Give me privacy to speak to my family. I want to speak to my family.
Please, Arnab, please, we are requesting you, please. Please, don't.
I need to make
प्लीज
arrangements.
आप लोग उनको तबीयत खराब लग रहा है प्लीज
We are requesting, please, cooperate.
Please, ma'am.
There will be separate charge on me.
No, 1 second. You don't physically assault me.
I was not there.
You were there.
No.
Arnab,
Don't
please,
talk,
please.
Don't physically assault me.
No one has physically assaulted you. You are
First of all, don't surround me like this.
you are in our custody.
अभी चलिए. चलो, please.
You are no one to dictate
We are
anything.
requesting.
You are in our custody.
Don't shout at me.
You are in our custody. You are in
You
police
physically
custody.
assaulted me this
I have
morning.
not. I have not.
What is the charge?
Sorry?
What is the charge?
We will tell you. We will give in writing.
Already you have copied to your wife.
Yeah, you have already
Please
given
ask her.
return.
Please ask her.
Return.
No, I
Return.
can't got anything.
She found the paper.
I couldn't read, you took it away. I couldn't read, you took it away.
CR number. Arnab ji, चलिए. Once again, I will tell you. Once again, I will tell you. Is case number 59 of 2018 under section 306/34 IPC about Raigad police. Come on.
That this is closed.
Yeah.
No close, not
It
close.
is open.
It's open.
You have been arrested. You are arrested.
You are arrested by Raigad police. Come on.
You have been arrested by Raigad police. चलिए उठो. Yeah.
Chase have assaulted me. Shamo, listen, I want to speak to my wife. I want to speak to my wife. I want to speak to my wife.
झालं उचला आता.
मोबाईल द्या त्याच्याकडे.
You can't.
उचला त्याला दिसू दे.
Shamo, record this.
उचला.
Shamo, record this.
बाहेर आम्ही एक तास उभे होतो ना मॅडम. मग एक तास आम्ही बाहेर उभे होतो ना. मग ही प्रॉपर गोष्ट आहे का? मी पोलिसांना बाहेर एक तास उभं करून ठेवलंय आणि तुम्ही चुकीच्या बातम्या स्प्रेड करताय.
नाही तुम्ही त्याला त्रास देता. चला.
चलो अर्नब जी चलिए प्लीज.
चलो चलो इनफ
But I need to consult my doctor.
yes every all medical help will be given.
You will get everything.
You will get everything.
Advocate,
Yes, everything you will get.
Jay, Shamo,
चलो
just call the doctor.
We have.
चलो चलो भाई उचलो.
Shamo, I need to speak to my wife.
चलो उचला.
Sachin, just get away from me. I need to speak to my wife.
No
I
you're
need
going
to
too
speak
much.
to my wife.
No, you're creating trouble for yourself.
I need to speak to my wife.
Yes.
Shamo, Shamo, assault.
मुझे ट्रक दो 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 मुझे ट्रक दो ट्रक दो ट्रक दो ट्रक दो. अरे चुप, एक मिनट मेरी बात सुनो.